Hi everyone, welcome to my video. Today I want to show you my 2001 Magic Jewel Kin AA 54855. This is actually his head mold. The body is not his. The body is, I believe, 1994 Tropical Splash Steven 12452. The Magic Jewel Kin had slightly bent arms with a different hand, which is why I don't think this is the Magic Jewel Kin body. So I think someone replaced the head and body on this doll, but it goes together well. The coloring looks great. It matches perfectly. And I like him. I like him a lot. I got him in a lot of dolls for very little money. And I don't think he came with clothes. So I gave him this 1995 Kin Easy to Dress Lifeguard jacket. It's from a fashion pack, 14379. I also paired up these cool boots. They're kind of like hiking boots. They've got some traction on the bottom. These are from the 1997 Kin Little Extras Cool Shoes Accessories Pack 67036-84. Now the jeans, I don't know, I haven't been able to identify them, but I love them. They're denim. They have yellow stitching with a yellow stitched in fly and yellow stitched pockets. There is no pockets on the back, but the stitching goes all the way around and they fasten with Velcro in the back. I think he's a great doll. I think he's the only mold of the Jamal head mold that I have. And I love it. It's a great look. There's some stitching there that didn't come out real well. But other than that, I think he's a really, really fine doll. Great looking. Here's his face. Closer look at his face. He's got two-tone brown eyes, 2 white dots, very dark eyebrows. His head moves side to side. Arms move up and down, only they don't move in and out. His waist does not twist. His legs bend. They move up. The legs do not bend and snap. They're straight. They're rubbery, but they're straight. They don't bend. I hope you like my 2001 Magic Jewel Kin head on 1994 Tropical Splash Steven body. If you do, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And I'll see you next time with more cool stuff. Thanks for watching.